gone outside to get some firewood. And my mom had noticed that he had been gone quite a while, and realized that he had really been gone a long time. And so she went to check on him, and he had collapsed on the stairs coming back in, carrying the firewood, and had a massive coronary and died right there. And she had always regretted that she didn't check on him sooner, because she felt possibly she could have saved him.
The one dreaming and not her, not
I
you.
know, that's what's so amazing. And
Yeah.
the fact
And that was the time that we were talking, like, Rowena, can you do visits? I said, can I go there early? And then, like, in the morning, and that was the night that she was dreaming. It said, oh, perfect, because we're going now early, around 9 o'clock. So that was, yeah.
it's amazing.
I know, right? So
I mean, just the fact that you got her name, you know, it's not like
it's that's my patient.
and it's not like Smith or
I know,
Clark
right?
or
Even if she has lots, she has lots of patients. How come it's this particular? You know, and exact detail of, you know, I don't know, maybe she was feeling it. I mean, like she was thinking about it, and she was, you know, like you were visiting,
Yeah.
and then I got the thought, or maybe you, or, you know, like, I don't know.
and subconsciously she might have been associating the dates coming up too. You know, that those were on her mind.
That's true.
Right.
But it's
But the
dad's.
fact that you picked up on it is
I know,
amazing.
right?
Uh-huh.
I said, she said, oh, you'll be amazed. I said, what? But, you know, like, I'm just so glad that, you know, like, to let her know that it's okay now.
Yeah,
So, because she might be, like, thinking about it.
Yeah.
You don't know.
yeah.
Does she share it, you know, like, to you sometimes?
She doesn't converse that much. You know, anything that she talks about is pretty much, you know, her daily stuff.